Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check the Grit TV schedule. Find today's TV listings step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so pages load correctly. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type Grit TV schedule and press enter or search. Look for an official Grit TV result or a trusted TV listings website in the results. Click the result that clearly mentions TV schedule or listings. If you land on Grit's website, find the menu button and open it if needed. Select the section labeled Schedule, TV schedule, or Listings. Check that the schedule is for the correct date shown on the page. If there is a calendar or date selector, choose today's date. Scroll down slowly to see the full lineup for the day. Find your local time zone setting if the page offers one. If the listings look off, change the time zone to match your location. Look for a provider or TV provider option if available. Choose your cable, satellite, or streaming provider to get accurate times. If you are watching over the air, look for an antenna or broadcast option. Use the search bar on the schedule page to type the show name you want. Press enter and review the matching results for air times. Click a show title to open details like episode name and description. Note the start time and end time so you do not miss the beginning. If you want reminders, check for a Remind Me or Add to Calendar button. If the site does not have reminders, manually add the time to your phone calendar. For faster access next time, bookmark the schedule page in your browser. On a phone, tap the share or menu icon and choose Add to Home Screen, if available. If you prefer apps, open your TV provider app and search for Grit in the guide. Filter the guide by channel name and set it to Today to see current listings. If your provider guide differs, confirm you are viewing the correct local Grit channel feed. Refresh the page once if you suspect the schedule has updated or changed. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you never miss more clear TV guide tips. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.